Hey guys, it's Clay at Mallard Motors. I'm going to show you some details on this van here, but don't forget about the $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 in cash if we can't get your credit approved for a vehicle loan. This is a 2014 model Chrysler Town & Country Touring Edition. Nice red color. You get some chrome trim on the grill there. Got fog lights down at the bottom. Got some chrome trim underneath the windows and down the side of the body there. Got some tread left on the tires. You got alloy wheels, those are 17 inches. 3 rows of seats. It's got, make sure I do this right. Yeah, got the automatic back doors. Got an automatic back gate. Got plenty of storage space in the back end. You can also lay that 3rd row seats down if you need a little more room. It's got keyless entry, key fob thing, so no actual key, you just use the fob to crank it up. Got captain's chairs in the 2nd row. And you got a bench back there in the 3rd row. You got climate control for the back end, and you also have a DVD player. Got power locks, power windows, power mirrors on the side. Got a power driver seat. See, got 111,000 miles. No check engine lights. Got cruise control on the steering wheel, controls for the radio, hands-free calling. Gear shift is up here on the dash. You got a touchscreen radio with a backup camera. Dual climate control for the front end. It's got economy mode. It's supposed to be a gas saving mode. Cup holders. All kinds of cubbies for storage here and there. If you're interested in this van, you can give me a call at 870-639-9200. I'd be happy to talk with you about pricing or financing options that we have available.